Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a quick and easy strawberry cobbler.
This homemade strawberry cobbler is warm, buttery, and packed with juicy strawberries. This cozy dessert comes together with only simple ingredients. And a golden cobbler topping that tastes amazing with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. This recipe is simple, comforting, and completely delicious.
Made with fresh or frozen strawberries and a soft, sweet biscuit topping. This rustic baked strawberry dessert is simple and bursting with flavor.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make an easy strawberry cobbler.
I'm going to start this recipe with the sweet strawberry filling. In a large pot on medium-low heat, I'm going to add in 5 cups of hulled and sliced strawberries.
You can make this recipe with either fresh or frozen berries. I'm going to be using frozen berries because strawberries are not in season yet where I live.
Mix in 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir this until the strawberries soften and release their juices and the mixture comes to a simmer. Once it starts to thicken, you can remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And now for the cobbler topping. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'm just going to give this a quick whisk, and then to the dry ingredients add in 1 egg, a 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Mix this until the batter just comes together. Now if you've made the fruit filling in an oven-proof pan, you can drop the biscuits right on top. If not, you can transfer the mixture into a casserole dish. Now I'm going to spoon little dollops of the cobbler topping all over the top. Now this rustic dessert is ready to get popped into my preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven. And it's going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the cobbler topping is golden on top. Remove it from the oven and allow the filling to cool slightly and set. Then this easy dessert is ready to serve. This vintage strawberry recipe is best served warm with whipped cream or a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. If you need an easy dessert or a bright and sunny summer recipe, this one's quick, delicious, and always disappears fast.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.